Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and open a Disney Advent calendar, and this one's the DUCKaLOOZ. So we're gonna uncover 24 windows with 24 cute duckies, but this one comes with a twist, you guys. Each ducky is gonna come as a Disney character. So let's go ahead and see which ones we get, you guys. Let's see which 24 characters we get. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic. And I hope everybody had a wonderful Merry Christmas. I appreciate your support, you guys. I found this at Walmart. It wasn't at half price, so I was happy about that. I saved some money on this. So let's go ahead and see here, you guys. Let's go ahead and see this packaging, super adorable. We see here we're gonna get Winnie the Pooh, Minnie Mouse, Stitch, Cinderella, Olaf, we have Ariel, we have Daisy, we have Mickey Mouse, we have Sully. Let's look over here in the back. We have more characters, you guys. So there you go. Hopefully I can remember all their names from the top of my head. Hopefully. Okay, let's see. Open flap here. Super adorable, you guys. Look, it always comes with a little theme on the floor. This time it's like a ice skating ring with some presents and candy canes. Woohoo! They're in a pond, and then you see the mountains and the forest or the Christmas trees on the back. So this ones are not in order. So let's see. That's enough of me yapping. Let's go and get into it. Number one right here. Number one we have Joy from Inside Out. It's a little, oh, you can put them in a pen or something. That's so cute. I thought they're going to be a little bit bigger, but you guys, this is so adorable. They're so cute. And I'm going to go on a cruise. I might be giving them away at the cruise. So that's number one. Oops, this thing's falling. Got it. Number two. Oh, we got Buzz. Up, up, and away. To infinity and beyond, I mean. We have Buzz from Toy Story. Super adorable. Let's continue. Number three. Number three, right over here. Is it? It's Belle. Cinderella? Beauty and the Beast. Belle from Beauty and the Beast. My mind's like, cuckoo. So cute. If I get some of them, like I totally like blank out, you guys, don't come at me. Just help me and comment down below, okay? Ooh, we have, Cruella de Vil from 101 Dalmatians. Super adorable. And you guys, I went to the slot machines and they mark your finger with a permanent marker. I went earlier today because I'm also working on videos for my other channel, Fitting Lucky 7711. Go check it out. Okay, you guys, that's number four. Number five right here. Sully from Monsters, Inc. Super adorbs. Let's continue with number six. Number six right over here. Oh, the alien from Pizza Planet. From Toy Story as well, you guys. Look at that. Super cute. Some kids on the cruise are going to be so happy to find these ones, you guys. They're so cute. Should have bought another one. Should have bought more. There were more than one. I've been giving them away at the cruise. Number seven, we have Minnie Mouse. Woohoo! Minnie Mouse. Maybe I do a little keychain or something. Do a little hole right here. Little keychains to give them to little kids. What I do, you guys, I see little kids that are in front of me or behind me, and I just like hide them like where they can see them so they can get excited. And I like to see them like when they find them because they all get excited and like it makes my day. Number 8. Number 8. Oh, Mickey, of course, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Let's continue, guys. Okay. So number 9. Number 9. Merry Christmas. It was yesterday, but it's a good. Is this Cinderella? Cinderella when she goes to the ball, I think. This is a different. Well, I think it's her. Yeah, it's her. Only the dress is a little bit white. I think was. Yeah, I think that was the color of the dress. Number 10. Where's number 2? Down here. Oh, Captain Hook. From Peter Pan. Peter Pan. Okay. Sorry, guys. Have to how this thing that have to have everything like perfectly like. There you go. Let's continue. That was number 10. Let's continue with number 11. Number 11, you guys. Woody! Woohoo! Woody from Toy Story. If I find a little kid or a little girl that has like boots on or something like kind of Western, I'm going to give them this one. So cute. Super adorable. Number 12. Number 12 right here. Ariel, the little mermaid. She has the mermaid tail, you guys. Look at it. Look at that. Can you see them on the back? I'll fix them at the end and then we'll do like an ending video. I'll shut up them. Number 13, because I don't want to be fixing them every time. It's going to make the video longer. We have Olaf from Frozen. So cute. I might have to go on a Disney cruise to do this one. They're so adorable. That's 12, right? Was it 13? Yeah, it was 13. 14. Oh. What's his name? He's on Toy Story. Oh my God. Boy, no. Let's see, you guys. It's like, I'm blanking out right now. What's his name? Let's see. His name is Lotso. There you go. Like, I was like blanking. I'm like, what's his name? No, he's from Toy Story, from one of the newest movies. But his name is Lotso. It's Lotso. So adorable. Y tiene el bastoncito ahí. He has the walking, what's it called? The bastoncito. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's put it right there. Let's go with number 15. Number 15. Over here. Tigger. Got Tigger. Boing, boing, boing. Got Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. Oh no, what's wrong with him? Something's wrong with him. There. 15, number 16, right next to it. It's the piggy from Moana. Let's see. Piggy. Moana. Pua. His name is Pua. I'm like, what's his name? I had to look it up. Piggy from Moana. Is he? Let's see. Yes, the piggy from Moana. if I'm mistaken, no, but this doesn't make sense. This little tail right here. It's a ducky. I think it's a little piggy from one. But if I'm wrong, please correct me, you guys. I would really appreciate it. Just don't be mean in the comment. Just be nice. You know, that's this name is this one from this. I'm like, I'll be like, oh, thank you. It's good to know. Oh, we got Elsa from, oh, it's because a ducky. That's a ducky tail. Like all of them have it. Okay, now I get it now. Okay, this is Elsa from Let It Go. Let It Go. The cold never bothered me anyway. Have her. Okay, that was number 17. Let's go with number 18 right next door. Hi, Mr. Pooh Bear. Who is it? Oh, he's so cute. Donald Duck. Donald Duck. So cute, you guys. Donald Duck. Oh, so adorable. Mickey Mouse. Stuff like in here. So they can fit, you guys. There you go. This one's right here. I'm sorry, my OCD is getting... Okay. Okay, we have that was 18. Let's go with number 19. 19. Right here. Of course, we have Daisy Duck. Look at her. Of course. So cute. That's us number 19 is going to number 20. Oh, Maleficent. Oh, Maleficent. The details on these duckies, you guys, are so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. So cute. I'm so excited. Okay, number 21. I'm definitely gonna go get more, you guys. Oh, Stitch. Look at him. Stitchy. The details, you guys. The details on these cuties are so good. Good, number 21. Okay. Put it here. Number 22. We're here. Yes, please. Moana, of course. With Pua. Moana. That was number 22. Let's go number 23. Where's number 23? Right over. Oh. Down here. Found it. Of course. He was upside down, but we got Pooh Bear. So cute, of course, with Tigger. Okay. That's 23, right? Number 24. Yeah, it's number 1 to 24. And we got Angel. Oh. I wonder why they need to come next to each other, like Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Daisy. It's so cute. I love it, you guys. Well, there you have them, you guys. They're so cute. We got 24 cute characters. So there you have them. Let me give you a close-up, you guys. Look at them. Look at them. It's so cute. Let me know if I should go get the other boxes, you guys. I got them at Walmart. They were like $10. They were from 20, they were 10, so they were 50% off. So I was keeping my eye on them. I was like, I'm gonna come and get them whenever they're in special, and they're so cute, you guys. They're a perfect size for the kiddos. You can do like, you can put like little holes right here and put like a little keychain or something. But I'm gonna be giving them away on my next cruise. I'm gonna go get another box so I can keep one for me, and another one I can give them out at the cruise for the kiddos. Well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.